We're also going to take a quick look at Tyrone's kick out and how they can do better in the face of Kerry's aggressive press than Armagh did. Armagh were a bit caught out by the element of Mark O'Shea coming in late. Well, whether they were caught out or not, it certainly Mark O'Shea had a massive impact on the game. He protected that pocket where Ethan Rafferty liked to go to Andrew Murnan. Armagh's policy on kickouts has all year has been very much about isolation. Same as Donegal's, spread out in 1v1s, try and create as much space as they can for their goalkeeper. It's not about overloads, it's not about big pockets of 5 and 6 players together and let's get in and win a break. Very much trusted their goalkeeper, but when it broke down for Armagh, Kerry had numbers around the breaks, really, really well set up in that press. Basically 4 out the back, 4 and a half forward line, 3 inside, cutting off the short ball. Tyrone brought a few ideas of their own to the Dublin game, which worked really well. I did this video and had it finished 5 minutes ago, only for the fact that Con Kilpatrick on the wrong wing. Con Kilpatrick was on this wing a lot of the time, and he looked as though he wanted the ball high, and as Niall Morgan came to kick it, telepathic understanding that Con Kilpatrick broke there, created a 90% ball, an in-step kick to the sideline, worked really, really well, maybe 3, 4, 5 times. Tyrone got out on that kick out. Something they'll look to, and going back to the 2021 playbook, the long kick out over the top. Other teams, Donegal came from them. We've seen them use it repeatedly. It's a great kick out. Niall Morgan absolutely has it in his locker. They'll feel that if Kerry are going to be that aggressive, there's goals here for us if we can get in behind them. There's 2 elements to that. One is there's goals here for us. The second is if we lose it, we've lost it 80 yards away. We're set up behind it. They're not getting an early kick off to Clifford or O'Shea from there. So be it. If we have to lose the kick out, we'd rather lose it out there. Part of Armagh's problem, as it turned out, they lost a lot of their kick outs close to their own goal. The third kick out that Tyrone are very good at, I'm going to run out of time, is Kieran McGeary. For whatever reason, however they do it, they're able to manipulate him into the middle of the Red Sea. They're able to pull an opposition press wing to wing, and they're able to get him in there. And he wins so much free kick out in that area. They're very, very good. I expect Tyrone to bring 5 or 6 different options to this game. There are definitely ways out around Kerry's aggressive press that they will have worked on the last 2 weeks. And if they can do better, they deny Kerry possession. Kerry scored not 14 off the Armagh kick out. Tyrone let that happen. They're ghost.